What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have another tempered glass screen protector video for the Oneplus 6T. Now this is a updated tempered glass screen protector from Omoton. The last one I thought was pretty good, but a lot of people was having issues with bubbles on the edges of the screen protector. Now this is the Omoton one that I have right here. As you can tell, looks pretty good to me. I don't have any air bubbles or any rainbow effects on this one, but they did release another updated tempered glass screen protector. Now this one does have a black border around the edges. It's $8.99 for a 2-pack, which is great, and they do advertise this as being a 3D full cover tempered glass screen protector for the Oneplus 6T. So let's go ahead and unbox this tempered glass screen protector and see what it's all about. Hopefully, I thought the original one was pretty good. The one I currently have installed on my Oneplus 6T, that one did not fail me. Looks good. Let's go ahead and see if this one is equally as good as the original one. So we have our installation tools there, and we do have 2 tempered glass screen protectors, as I mentioned. Let's go ahead and take these out of their package. Tempered glass looks very good, feels very premium, as you can see there, and it does not have a matrix dot effect in the middle. This is a full covered, full adhesive tempered glass screen protector for your Oneplus 6T. Let's go ahead and take some of these installation tools out. We're going to need a dust absorber, and we'll get a wet nap here. We do not need this microfiber cloth, but we do need a wet nap. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Now, one thing to mention is this one does not come with the installation tray. The first one came with the late installation tray that kind of guided the screen protector on your phone. I like this one. It looks pretty good. There's absolutely, did I unlock this? There's no issues with this one whatsoever, at least for me. But I know people was having issues with this one, but as far as me having issues, no issues whatsoever. Let's go ahead and peel this one off. As you can see, it's on there pretty tight and pretty good, man. Goodbye. It was a good screen protector. I liked it. So let's go ahead and try this newer version one here. Let's go ahead and record this. Let's go ahead and clean the screen and install this newer version. Now I like to wipe down my screens completely, and I like to completely dry them out. I've noticed that a lot of people are having issues. Every time I use the air in a can or a blow dryer, it kind of eliminates the bubbles on the screen. I've never had any issues, so I give it a nice quick wipe down. You know, I want to get everything greasy out of there, so the tempered glass screen protector adheres to the screen nice and makes a nice good seal. Then I like to wipe my fingers just in case I accidentally touch the screen afterwards. Let's go ahead and get this cloth here. Bam. So we want to dry it nice and dry. Get all that moisture off of that screen. Alrighty. Looks like we're good. Then, like I mentioned, I take my duster here and blow all the dust off of it, and then later we'll get this dust absorber and we're gonna go ahead and just run it and eliminate any dust particles from the screen. And this one's awesome because it's huge, so it grabs most of the screen, so it doesn't take too long. Okay, then let's grab our tempered glass screen protector. I am going to turn this on because I want to align with the notch. And if you use the case, look at the case, kind of just guide the screen protector. And press it. And there we have it. It went on there pretty good. It's nice and responsive. Oh, I can see the adhesive going right there. All right. Let it adhere to the screen. Let's remove the case here. Now, this one is full tempered glass screen protector there. It is edge to edge, and let's peel this a little bit off and move it to the side. So we can see they're adhering to the screen pretty good. Let's go ahead and remove some of these air bubbles. So this one we are gonna have to, oh, this works. Okay, so the fingerprint sensor works. It works pretty good. It's nice and responsive. Very, very responsive here. So this feels nice and smooth. The screen protector is not interfering anything with the phone. It looks good too. It's a nice thick 3D tempered glass screen protector like they mentioned. I don't got any air bubbles here as far as I can see. Everything looks good. I got one right here, but I think this would go away. There it goes. Just rub them out and then they'll eventually disappear. This was a good installation. It is kind of edge to edge, as you can see, so be careful if you get this one, because it might not play nice with some cases. This case right here fits just perfect. This is a replica case to the nylon Oneplus original case. Now you can see the screen protector goes to the edge of this case, so this is a edge to edge screen protector and they mean it. So this might not play nice with a lot of phone cases out there that wrap around the screen. Besides that, everything feels good. Like I mentioned, the link will be in the description if you want to go ahead and pick yourself up a Omoton tempered glass screen protector, 3D full adhesive edge to edge screen protector for the OnePlus 6T, $899 for a 2-pack. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.